Welcome to Mariko's Hollywood Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Midori Cosmo. One of the best parts about living in Hollywood is the nightlife. There is so much going on between nightclubs and concerts and amazing restaurants. It is hard not to have such a great time. But one of the downsides of going out is the really expensive cocktails. The Midori Cosmo has only a few ingredients. First, I'm going to add an ounce of Midori. So this is a melon flavored liqueur. Then I'm going to add 1 ounce of my favorite vodka. Did you know if you go to a club in Hollywood to get this same bottle of vodka is going to cost you like $800? I'm serious. You go there, you pay $800. Yeah, you get some orange juice and some sparklers to go with it. But the truth is you should just do it at home because it's going to save you a lot of money. So I've got an ounce of Midori, an ounce of vodka that didn't cost me $800, and now an ounce of cranberry juice. Then I'm going to add the juice of a half a lemon. And now it's ready to get all nice and shooken up. This is such a fun recipe for before you go out, especially if it's a girls' night, because it's got a little bit of tang to it, but it's also really sweet and pretty great. This is the most beautiful Midori Cosmo. This is Mariko's Hollywood Kitchen showing you how to make a Midori Cosmo. Enjoy.